Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Discord not opening on Windows 11. First, right-click on your taskbar or the Windows icon and select Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, make sure you are in the Processes tab. Look through the list and find Discord. Click on it, then select End Task. If you see more than one Discord process, repeat the same step and close all of them. After that, try opening Discord again to see if the issue is fixed. If Discord still does not open, press the Windows key and R together to open the Run dialog box. Type %appdata% and press Enter. A folder will open. Find the Discord folder, right-click on it, and delete it. Now open the Run dialog box again by pressing Windows key and R. This time type %local appdata% and press Enter. Again, find the Discord folder and delete it. Once both folders are removed, restart your computer. After your system turns back on, try launching Discord again. If the problem continues, it could be a permission issue. Search for Discord in the Windows search bar or find its shortcut on your desktop. Right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. If none of these steps work, you may need to reinstall Discord. Go to Windows Control Panel, then open Programs. Search for Discord, right-click on it, and select Uninstall. Restart your computer, then go to the official Discord website and download the latest version. Thanks for watching.